Hi, Greg from TimberSeal here. We're out in Crown Point, Indiana, doing a restoration on a deck job. I want to walk you through the process of what we do, how we do it, and how we get the results in the end. First step on the deck basically is the restoration portion of it. Coming in, do a cleaner, brightener, conditioner, or we're stripping finishes off depending on what the current condition of the deck is. Step number 2, crews then wash the deck using low pressure. We want to remove any existing finish, get you back down to basically a virgin wood surface so we have a good foundation to start from. Third step is a brightener conditioner. The brightener basically neutralizes off the products prior that were applied to strip old finishes off, brightens, conditions the wood, opens the pores, and readies it for the staining and sanding process. Coming into step 4 and then 5. Once dry, we're going to return back at that point. We're also going to do a thorough buff and sand on the deck. What that does is it removes the raised grain off the surface, prepares us essentially to apply the new finish to the deck. Once the sanding is done, surface is blown off, crews will come back. At that point, we're actually doing a 2-coat application of the TimberSeal Pro UV oil finish in your chosen color to the deck. Finish is all hand applied.